How to make Fiverr community. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make community on Fiverr. Creating a Fiverr community allows you to bring people together around shared interests, discussions and activities. Here's how you can create one. For that, open your Fiverr application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you reach to this page, here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will find 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to access more menu. And once you find this page on your screen, here you will find Start a Group Chat option. Next to it, you will see Start Now button. Click on this button. Now select the people whom you want to add in your new community. Once you have selected them, click on the arrow at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will reach to this page. Here make sure you select this community option. Click on this little circle at the right and give your community a name that reflects its purpose or topic. Once you do so, you can also write a brief description of your content to let people know what it's about. You can also add a photo to represent your community visually. Now after customizing it as per your preference, go ahead and tap on that tick mark at the top right and wait for a while. You will see you have successfully created a community. Now an invitation to join this community will be sent to the people whom you have added to this community. So in this way you can create community on Fiverr. It's a great way to connect with like-minded individuals and foster discussions on the topics that interest you. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.